Ever found yourself pondering the legalities of owning an apartment in Karnataka? It's a question that has likely crossed the minds of many, especially those considering an investment in real estate. Today, we're going to peel back the layers of the Karnataka Apartment Ownership Act of 1972, a piece of legislation that holds considerable significance for potential and current apartment owners alike. This act serves a dual purpose. First, it simplifies the process of apartment ownership, making it easier to navigate the often complex world of property rights. Second, it offers legal protections, ensuring that apartment owners are not left in the lurch should disputes arise. Understanding the ins and outs of this act is not just a matter of legal compliance. It's about securing your investment and peace of mind. As we delve deeper into this topic, remember, knowledge is power. Unveiling the complexities of the law, we dive into the Karnataka Apartment Ownership Act of 1972. Knowing the basics can make all the difference in the world of real estate. Today, we're diving into the core of the Karnataka Apartment Ownership Act 1972, or as we'll refer to it, KAOA 1972. This piece of legislation has a significant impact on apartment owners in Karnataka, hence understanding its basic provisions is crucial. So let's start with the basics. What does KAOA 1972 define as an apartment? Simply put, an apartment is a part of the property intended for independent use and consists of one or more rooms or enclosed spaces located on one or more floors in a building. Next up is the concept of common areas. These are spaces in the apartment complex that are available for common use by all apartment owners. This could include the lobby, the staircase, the garden, or even the rooftop. Now, let's talk about the rights and obligations of apartment owners. KAOA 1972 bestows upon each apartment owner an exclusive ownership of their apartment, along with a percentage of undivided interest in the common areas and facilities. This means that while you own your apartment completely, you also share a certain percentage of ownership in the common areas with other apartment owners, but there's more. KAOA 1972 also establishes the concept of forming associations. These are bodies formed by the apartment owners to manage the common areas and enforce the bylaws of the apartment complex. Remember, as an apartment owner, you have a say in the affairs of the association. You have the right to attend meetings, vote on important matters, and even run for office. But with these rights come responsibilities. You're obliged to pay your dues on time, abide by the rules and regulations, and respect the rights of other apartment owners. The Karnataka Apartment Ownership Act 1972 is not just about owning an apartment, it's about understanding your rights and obligations. Dive deeper into the act to make the most of your real estate investment. To truly understand the Karnataka Apartment Ownership Act of 1972, we must examine its more intricate details. A key component is the registration process. This step is crucial as it legally defines the boundaries of your property and asserts your ownership rights. Next, we come to the transfer and lease of apartments. The Act ensures that these transactions are transparent and regulated, protecting both buyer and seller. Then there's the deed of apartment, a document of paramount importance. It outlines the property's description, the owner's share in common areas, and the apartment's value. Complying with the Act is non-negotiable. It's the surest way to avoid legal complications and enjoy peace of mind in your investment. Remember, knowledge is power, and understanding the law can make the difference between a wise investment and a costly mistake. Navigating the legal labyrinth of apartment ownership in Karnataka becomes easier with a grasp of the Karnataka Apartment Ownership Act 1972. Now that we've unraveled the Act, let's summarize the key points. The Karnataka Apartment Ownership Act of 1972, or KAOA, is a critical piece of legislation for apartment owners in Karnataka. It outlines the rights, duties, and responsibilities of apartment owners, ensuring a harmonious living environment for all residents. The Act covers a wide range of topics, from property ownership and management to dispute resolution and maintenance fees. It also provides guidelines for the formation and functioning of apartment associations, which play a vital role in managing the apartment complex. Understanding and complying with the Act is not just a legal obligation, but it also helps to protect your investment and maintain a peaceful living environment. If you have any doubts or concerns about the Act, don't hesitate to seek legal advice. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to real estate investment. Stay informed and protect your investment with the Karnataka Apartment Ownership Act, 1972.